Are you in need of a lawyer? Or maybe just some legal advice? Whatever your situation, looking for an attorney can seem overwhelming. How do you know the right questions to ask? Today we're catching up with a local legal expert who will help you find an attorney suited to your needs.
I'm often asked, what is the greatest challenge facing property owners when trying to find the right condemnation attorney? And the problem with finding the right eminent domain lawyer is that it can be a little overwhelming, and it doesn't have to be. Here are 3 things to keep in mind. Number 1, does the attorney have eminent domain trial experience? Number 2, is the attorney familiar with federal relocation and right-of-way acquisition practices and procedures? And number 3, is the attorney someone you can talk to, someone you can actually get on the phone? Condemnation, or eminent domain, is the legal process by which governments and utilities can acquire your land, your property, even your home for purposes of a public project, such as roads or schools. In Florida, 12 citizens are impaneled to determine the amount of compensation a property owner will receive when they're unable to negotiate a settlement with the government. And that's why you need an attorney with eminent domain trial experience. Now, searching for an attorney to suit a client's needs can be challenging. So I'll give you a couple of tips to ask folks when looking for an attorney. Number 1, specifically ask them, what is your area of expertise? You don't want to find out in the middle of a condemnation trial you've hired an excellent workman's compensation attorney. Eminent domain has special rules and regulations and time frames in which to respond to certain things, so it's important you have an attorney familiar with eminent domain practices and procedures. Number 2, what's your cell phone number? There are a lot of moving parts in an eminent domain case. You've got a mortgage holder, you've got you're moving your home, you're buying a new home, you're relocating your business, the road's being constructed, your driveway's being poured. Well, there's a lot of times you need to get a hold of your attorney. And the most important aspect of an eminent domain relationship is the ability for a client to contact their attorney when they need to. Now, my practice is almost exclusively in the area of condemnation. And we focus on helping property owners whose land, homes, or businesses are taken by government for a public purpose. For those who want to learn more, you can look at our webpage at www.eminentdomainfl.com. Or you can call me toll-free at 1-800-527-3445. We're happy to help because our client's success is our only goal.
Wow, that's pretty incredible, isn't it? The best attorney will have you taking the right steps in no time. Are you looking for more information? Today's expert can be reached by calling the number on your screen. Thank you for your time.